here to talk about HTML5, what it is, what's new, and why it's important for the web developer, and what features stand out the most. HTML5 is a markup language made to be the fifth revision of HTML. This revision of HTML5 is the open standard for displays in multimedia on web display, video, audio, games. And HTML5 contains new properties such as video, nav, audio, canvas, etc. HTML5 introduced integration for scalable vector graphics equal HTML5 and content within the browser that is used to replace the use of object tasks and mapped ML for mathematical formulas. So why are these features so important for modern web development? As web development demands more interactive design and multimedia web page, we need tools to help us represent these on websites. Flash multimedia is owned by the company library, which has become more dangerous to set as standards as it is dependent on the business decisions made by the library and not the requirements set by the Worldwide Web Consortium. HTML5 provides a framework and platform for us to create multimedia apps on the web in the same manner.
One of the main features that we want to talk about is SVG. Scalable Vector Graphics, or SVG, is a vector image format for animation of two-dimensional graphics. HTML uses it to replace the generic use of object tabs to better illustrate graphics on the web page. SVG can be entirely designed on HTML5 and CSS without the need for external programs. Since SVG is designed in vectors, it has much better design formats in which can be supported in multiple resolutions and multiple web page formats. Since SVG is an open standard along with HTML5, it is supported by most modern browsers and most mobile browsers. There are also various web apps that help users design in SVG that are created in HTML5. How it can be used is, since Adobe Illustrator needs to be paid to use, it is much more convenient to use HTML5 and CSS to design the image. HTML5 is an open standard and is not constricted by any markup changes by companies such as Adobe Flash. SVG is very similar to Flash in that it can be designed to be very dynamic and interactive.